guys! So, before we start, let me ask you a question. Do you know how to play matching game? Do you know what this game is? It's really nice. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this matching game, this wooden matching game. Look what I have here. I'm so excited to show you. So, all you have to do, oh, my dog is right here. Phoebe's here to say hi. Anyways, so in this game, you have a letter there. So I'm going to read it to you and then you're going to see how you have to do it, okay? Playing and handling wood is pretty cool. Now imagine playing matching game with it. Isn't it awesome? I'm sure you'd never get bored while playing this one. Matching games help develop cognitive, hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Place one sticker on the wooden cookies in each one, yeah, and play and have fun. So all you have to do is stick the stickers in each one to make the pairs, all of them. So here we have 10 different instruments, and so just play and have fun, okay? I hope you enjoy it.